Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mademoiselle Pi. Today we will see inheritance using Python. Inheritance is a powerful feature in object-oriented programming. It refers to defining a new class with a little or no modification to an existing class. The new class is called as derived or a child class, and the one from which it inherits is called the base or parent class. The derived class inherits the feature from the base class where new features can be added to it, and of course this results into a reusability of the code. To demonstrate the use of inheritance, let's take an example. In this given example, I have got first class, that is Tony Stark. The class has got three properties: the name, the suits that Mr. Tony Stark has created, and he has got a gift for our lovely Spider-Man. Inside the same class, I have got an init method which has got a parameter code whose type is string. We will see the logic that has been written inside the init method in a few moments. But before that, let's have a look into the child class that we have prepared over here, which is going to inherit some features from the parent class. So the child class is Morgan Stark. Morgan is nothing but the daughter of Mr. Tony Stark, and she is going to inherit the features from Papa, that is Tony Stark. Morgan has got her own properties, that is name, the init function or a method, and she also has got a parameter code which is string. Next line where I'm using the constructor super is the one which will make sure that the inheritance is applicable over here. In fact, using the super constructor, Morgan is going to inherit all the features that have been written inside the init method of Papa Tony Stark. Now let's come back to the logic that we have written in the parent class, that is Tony Stark. If the code is equals to Peter Parker, who is nothing but our lovable Mr. Spider-Man, then Tony Stark has got a gift for Peter Parker, that is Edith. And then we will have a print statement where we are just gonna say hello to Peter and then we will offer him his gift. Else, if the code is equals to his own daughter, that is Tony's daughter Morgan, then Morgan is going to inherit all the suits that Tony Stark has created so far. And finally, else, if it's not Peter Parker, if it's not Morgan, then it seems that the user is unknown and then that user needs to be reported to Mr. Nick Fury. Okay, let's execute the script and we will have a look into the output. The first object that I have created over here, Tony Stark, is creating an instance of the parent class, that is Tony Stark, and I'm passing the parameter code is equals to Peter Park, and hence the output of the line 23 is nothing but over here. The first if statement has got executed because the code is getting match over here, and hence we will say hello to Mr. Peter and we will offer him his gift Edith. And the next object that I have created over here, it's nothing but the class child class, that is Morgan Stark, and we are passing the code equals to Morgan. So the second else part of the logic will get executed, and Morgan is going to inherit the suits that her father Tony has created for her. It's nothing but a Mark 1, Mark 2, Hulkbuster, and Thorbuster. That's all for today. I hope you liked the concept of inheritance and specifically adding a theme of Marvel for all those fans of Marvel out there. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the theme and of course the concept, do like my video and don't hesitate to subscribe. Thank you.